Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one of Goa's amazing recipe which has a Portuguese roots to it, the chicken Xacuti. This is a delicious chicken curry from Goa and it is made with freshly roasted spices. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. Add around 400 grams of chicken and marinate the pieces by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can add salt according to your taste. Just mix them all together. Add half a lemon or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and set it aside for at least 20 minutes. After keeping the marinated chicken aside, we are going to start making the Xacuti masala. So for that we are going to take a pan and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated slightly, start adding 6 red chillies, 1 full cup of onion which is roughly chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamon, 1 cinnamon stick, half star anise, a piece of nutmeg and 6 cloves. After adding the spices, saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the spices are fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds and 1.5 cup of grated coconut. Cook the mixture on low flame or medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes or till the onions and the coconut turn into a brown color. After the Xacuti masala is done, let it cool for 5 to 6 minutes and then transfer it into a mixie jar. Add half a cup of water so that you can grind it into a smooth paste and then set it aside. Take a kadai and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add about 1 full cup of finely chopped onion and saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. After the onions are cooked nicely, add about 1 full cup of finely chopped tomatoes. I added a pinch of salt, but you can always add salt according to your taste. As you can see, the tomatoes are nicely cooked, they are super mushy. Now add the marinated chicken which you kept aside. Cook the chicken for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 full cup of water. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes. cook the chicken for 10 minutes. Now it's the best part. You have to add the Xacuti masala which we made earlier. Add about 1 full cup of Xacuti masala. Cover the chicken curry and cook for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, take the lid and it smells amazing. Now it's time to add the best ingredient, that is coconut milk. Add about 1 or 1.5 cup of coconut milk. Cook for another good 10 minutes. So as you can see, the chicken Xacuti is ready. It smells amazing and it looks so good. So let's serve it in a bowl. This chicken Xacuti is actually eaten with the pap by the locals in the region, but you can serve it with the rice instead, which makes an equally good combination. Please do try this amazing and delicious recipe and comment down below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update.